Lakteche ka thieth ma Coast General Mombasa koni gitimo bero ni jatuo mokwongo mar tuo mar adundo e bwo chenro manyien mar thieth mar SHIF. Gikone nyaka ne migawo mar thieth tim lokruok koke kuma mar thieth mar SHIF. Jotuo mathoth osebedo kakale midhiero ni mar chenro manyien osebedo kod ng'ikruok mapek. Joja oko negilero koya e kaunti ya Mombasa.
Ma en kar thieth ma Coast General Mombasa. Kae ne wayudo jatuo mar adundo Emily Mwaro kosewuok e thiata kuma ne otimne bero mar adundo. Emily ma jahigni 75 mawuok e kaunti ma Kilifi koni tuo no osechande thuolo malach ka midhiero maduong' mosebedo kokale en mano mar yudo pesa mar thieth.
Nimekuwa na shida ya moyo kwa muda mrefu. Juzi daktari wangu akanipigia simu akaniambia nije leo asubuhi. Nilipofika asubuhi nilikuwa siko vizuri vile.
The patient we have been following up in our cardiac clinic with heart failure. We call it first degree heart block. And this patient was scheduled by her doctor this morning for appointment for with the SHA. And she just came in. We asked for the approval for the payment of her procedure. She's supposed to be done a dual chamber pacemaker. It was approved within a short period of 15 minutes. And we went into the theater, inserted the pacemaker. And as we speak, she's recovering in our critical care unit, doing very well.
Geno mare ukoni yande ne uketo e chenro mokalo mar okumba mar thieth mar SHIF, makata kamano koni ne podok nyal konye, ne mar SHIF ne chulo ne mana bath pesa midwaro gino mapod newe kod ting mapek.
Sasa SHIF walikuwa wamenipatia kiwango, lakini ikawa kuna kingine cha juu nilipe. Nikawa nimeitisha barua kwa daktari anipatie ndio nianze kutafuta watu watakaonisaidia, manake mimi ni civil servant na niko retired.
So tumekuja asubuhi na tulipokuja tukafanyiwa billing, tukaona ilikuwa inaenda kuwa 500 and ilikuwa inaenda kuwa pesa nyingi ambayo sisi hatukuwa nayo. Alafu wakati tukiongea na daktari akatuambia hakuna wasiwasi kwa sababu nyinyi ni members wa SHA na SHA itaweza kufanya kila kitu.
Cash payment is 500,000. That's $500,000, which is not affordable for a normal mwananchi. But now with the new system of the Social Health Authority, the bill is well taken care of, and she can comfortably go home tomorrow with her medication and continue living like a normal citizen.
Tend kar thieth no koni gisebedo gi jotuo tandawoya mag tuo adundo, to kata kamano midhiero sebedo korka weche mag chudo. To bang' chenro manyien mar SHA chako tich, gikone kwan jotuo go koro kidek medore malich mokalo.
This was our first case since the SHA started, and we are looking forward to having very many more patients. Because remember, this is a public sector where most of the patients who cannot afford the private facilities. In a private sector, this procedure costs almost $1 million. Here, with the SHA, it's free. We can say it's free because you don't pay anything from your pocket. And that's why they tend to flock here more than the private sector. So you have so many patients. We cannot exhaust the queue. And we're expecting to be very busy after this.
George Aoko, Ramogi TV, Mombasa.
Riwruok mar jotije kaunti bade ma Kisumu obuodhi